Welcome to the day 14 of Learn DAX in 2 minutes series. Today we will learn about if and switch functions in DAX. Both functions are used to apply conditions, but switch is cleaner when there are multiple conditions. Let's start with if. To categorize these sales as high or low, create a new column and type sales category equals to if opening parenthesis, select the sales amount. If it's greater than 1000, it will be categorized as high, else low. These are the two simple conditions. Press enter and all the sales which are more than 1000 will be categorized as high, else it will be marked as low. Now to handle the multiple conditions, in place of else we will use another if statement. So if the second condition, if sales is more than 700, it will be medium, else low. Press enter and sales category is now changed accordingly. It works fine, but it looks a bit messy. So to use the switch, again create a new column and type switch category equals to type switch, and the expression would be true because in the values we will use the conditions. So the first condition, if sales is greater than 1000, it would be diamond. If sales amount is greater than 700, it would be gold. If sales is greater than 500, it would be silver, else it would be bronze. Press enter. Using switch, we can easily use multiple conditions and it is much cleaner than if statement. So switch checks each conditions one by one and returns the matching result. Another use case of switch is when we have fixed value like reason codes. Create a new column, type reason code equals to switch, select reason column, comma, now specify the values. So if it's north, the value would be 1. If it's south, the value would be 2. If it's east, value would be 3. If west, it would be 4. Press enter. So in this way, if for a multiple conditions, switch statement are more easy to use and more cleaner. If you like the content, press thumbs up and share with your friends and colleagues. Subscribe the channel and press bell icon to get notification of new videos. Thanks for watching.